Have a great and wonderful day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. The topic today could be the ultimate solution to your success in goat farming. Today I'd love to share with you about the concept of microbiome. Having the idea at the back of your head, this microbiome could be the ultimate and powerful tool for the success of your goat farming. So guys, please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share it with your friends and everybody who you know. Now, arming yourself with this microbiome knowledge could lead to right decisions in managing your goat farm. Now, we may have wondered why after we do everything to our goats, but still we notice that our goats are still sickly. Now, let us dive into this microbiome. What is microbiome? Now, I'd like to use my own definition of microbiome. Microbiome is a world of microorganisms that lives inside the body of your goats, especially in their guts or stomach. And goats have 4 stomachs, you know. This microbiome is more abundant in their large intestine, or the intestine that is closest to the exit of their body. And by that I mean the gastrointestinal exit, their anus. So this is where the microbiome lives the most. It is, you must have noticed that I didn't use the word community of organisms. I used the word world of microorganisms. You know guys, because the fact is, the goat's body may have billions or trillions, a few trillions of cells. But these microorganisms, which is a collective microorganisms consisting of fungus, bacteria, viruses, they are numbered like super trillions, or meaning multi-trillions. It's like 90% more of the cellular mass that is consisting or composing the body of your goats all in all. So this microbiome is so numerous that they are so useful in the digesting of everything eaten by your goats. And not only that, this microbiome helps in the immunity. So microbiome lives mostly in the large intestine, and not only inside, but it is also around your goat, meaning the skin outside, you know. And inside, it's not only focused on the large intestine, but they go through all the cells of the tissues of the body. I mean all the tissues. So as I have said, microbiome is 90% of your goat's body, you know. And whereas the mass of your goat, meaning the physique, is only 10%. But this microbiome doesn't weigh that. Now, don't get me wrong. This 90% microbiome, these are cells, microorganism cells. So they don't weigh that much. The 10% of the body mass of your goat is what you only get. The 90% cells in microbiome is unseen by the naked eye, but visually verifiable by the use of microscopes. Now, this dense world of microorganisms that lives in the gut of your goat's body, it's actually like kind of weightless, because they are very, very minute in nature, but they're so powerful in the development of the immune system of your goats and in the defense of the intruding pathogens, the disease-causing microorganisms that gets into their body. So this is why the knowledge of microorganisms will give you a very powerful tool in the right decision making for the management of your goats. Now guys, I can't stay long on this video. It could be boring to other people. So I might make a future videos on this microbiome thing because it is a very huge topic and it's an ongoing research because the world is going into sophistication, and this microbiome thing has been left out for generations and now it has come back and it's staring the world right as up its eye. The world is realizing that this is so important. So I encourage you guys to love your goats, support the microbiome in their guts and inside the body. So what are you gonna do? I know you would have plenty of ideas how to support microorganisms inside the body. So guys, please, my apologies for the way I portrayed this video, my audio. And please, I'm just a guy trying to make a video. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you. Bye.